Okay. Now let's show them what this f***ing do. Don't go too fast. Okay, come back. Okay, come back. Ah. Did it snap? You pulled the throttle too hard, eh?
Barely. I barely touched it. I was just trying to get moved in.
Okay, shut it off. Okay, we try this again.
Huh?
We try this again with some temporary improvements here. You know what I'm saying? Temporary.
I'm terrified. I don't feel safe. This seems scary.
Hang on a second. Say that again now I can see you.
This thing's terrifying. I'm scared. Did you not see what this thing did to the train?
Just turn your light on so the cars can see you. Because the sun, it'll blind them. And it's cool.
Oh, that is. I can't see the light.
Well, duh. It's daytime. Oh, gentle.
It jumped. I'm sorry.
Gentle. I gotta reduce your power somehow. 2 hands, proper. I adjusted your brake handle. You should be able to reach it better now. Okay, go that. Don't go any faster than that, and go as far as you can.
I ain't turning. I ain't turning.
We're rolling.
Watch out.
Okay, now take up some speed. A little bit. Okay. Give it a little speed. All right, see what you can do with it.
Ready?
Don't floor it. All right. Can hang it. Finally!